Compared to the hectic environment of the city, KHAO National Park provides a sanctuary for humans and animals alike. The park has proved prime for dhole tracking in past years, so the research team returns.
It's quite interesting that this park is a place where I would say human-dhole conflict happen, because just misconception. People think that dholes are abundant in KHAO, and in the past, even rumor that there are 2,000 dholes here, which is impossible.
The team visits a dhole kill from a few months ago, hoping to find any new tracks. Nearby, one researcher spots some dhole scat. It's a few days old. But not far away, by a watering hole, among many other tracks, a perfect dhole print. The team sets up a camera trap, hoping the dholes are still in the area.
500 square kilometers, you might do 1 or 2 square kilometer grid, and you'll place one camera or two camera in one grid, and then randomly, and but you will look where within that grid of the next grid you go put another 1 or 2. That's how you're looking at wildlife populations in the park. But so we might put up. I think we might if we focus on capture, then we will set up the camera at the capture site, because we want to know who comes and goes.
They also decide to set a few capture traps, clam-like traps with soft rubber holds that hold the animal's leg. Each trap is tested to make sure they're not too tight, but not too loose.
It doesn't hurt, but it felt like the strict blood supply, I would say. If you stay for too long, you don't want to be trapped for too long. Though, yes, they are endangered, about the same, they have the same status with African wild dog, but those are forest canids, so they live in forest. You cannot see them very well. So they're very elusive. So people, it's very challenging to actually study those. To capture one, you can't just go out and try to dart them like you do with wild dog. You have to traps, and then that makes it very, very difficult.
The traps are arranged in a circle and staked to the ground, allowing the animal to move while in the trap but not escape. The traps are connected by a thin string that runs up a tree to a transmitter. When the trap is triggered, the string is pulled, flipping the transmitter upside down and sending a signal to base camp. The team leaves a tasty surprise staked down in the middle of the traps. Once the traps are covered and the fresh blood is scattered, it becomes a waiting game.
Going to the trap as fast as possible is the main thing, so we'll be monitoring all night, and we'll take turns listening and stuff like that. And if you hear something, even if it's a false alarm, just go, because some animals can't wait that long.
The researchers take turns checking the radio every 15 minutes, waiting for the fast beeping that signals a trigger. Late at night, a trap triggers. The team rushes to the site. Not long after they arrive, Rangers show up, guns loaded. Someone saw taillights and thought the team might be poachers.
Yeah, we got the small Indian civet. Small Indian civet. But then, so it's front right foot got trapped, and then we decided to not anesthetize it and just remove the trap.
Before the sun has risen, another trap is triggered. It's a jackal. The vet delivers anesthesia, and the team goes to work, sexing, measuring, recording, taking samples, and removing ticks. The vet places the jackal in a cage, reverses the anesthesia, and the team waits for the jackal to be awake enough to release. After a week, the team had only captured dholes on camera traps as they snuck bites of meat while avoiding the capture traps. With over 500 different species of animals roaming within the boundaries of KHAO National Park, the dholes act as the invisible hand, small, unseen hunters that control their environment. Due to their elusive nature, they're overlooked by many conservationists even as their numbers continue to drop. The dholes have become the forgotten predator.